Hi there! Today, with the help of our channel's medicine research scientist, we are going to provide you with the top warning signs of a blood clot. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body. So, let's move on to blood clot reasons and risk factors. 1. If you're 65 or older, you're much more at risk of blood clot, and you should try to do more exercises. 2. Sitting more than 4 hours at a time. To avoid, keep your blood flowing, even if you're on an airplane. 3. Being sedentary for long periods of time. 4. Obese people are in danger of blood clot. 5. Pregnancy increases the chance of blood clots. 6. Family history of blood clots. 7. Smoking. 8. Some birth control pills contribute to blood clots. Now, keep watching to see top warning signs. Swelling in your arms or legs. Color change of a part of body and being itchy. Pain in limbs. Breathing issues, which means blood clots have moved from your arm or leg to your lungs. Higher heart rate. Speech or vision issues due to blood clot in the brain. Nausea or vomiting. High blood pressure. And fever or blood in your urine. Now keep watching to know how to prevent. Wear loose-fitting clothes. Raise your legs 6 inches above your heart from time to time. Exercise regularly. Change your position over sitting or standing, and do not cross your legs. Eat less salt. And stop smoking. We hope you learned a lot today about warning signs of a blood clot. Let us know in the comments below what you think. Enjoyed this video? Hit like and subscribe to ZOOXFIT. Wait, we did not forget to tell you about our other awesome videos. Go ahead, choose one of these videos and enjoy.